Hi, my name is Kendra Cody, and I'm the nurse for Madeira Beach Fundamental. We do a lot of different things for this school. We help kids that are diabetics with teaching not only parents, but the students, staff, on educating them for the doctor's orders that come in, getting them set up in the classrooms, monitoring them. I love being with staff and students. Being at Madeira Beach and having elementary and middle on one campus is great. With us being displaced, that's probably been the hardest thing for me because it's hard because I want to be there for my staff and students, and being separated on two complete separate different campuses makes it really hard for me. Mr. Atik had caught me because all the kids started cheering and I had no idea what was going on. I was kind of a little in shock, and he had told me what the school had nominated me for, and I was very taken back. I love my job, I love what I do, and I put 100% into it. To me, all of the kids that I work with are my kids while they're here, so I treat them as if they were my kid and making sure that they're safe. I'm very humbled by everybody and their support for what I do.
Hi, I'm Andrew Tremblay. I'm the head plant operator here at Tarpon Springs Middle School. I take a real pride in making sure that our students and our staff here are safe. I actually grew up in Tarpon. I came here as a student back in the day to Tarpon Middle, and I have a real sense of pride every time I step foot on the campus to know that this is my community school. I live in the area, and I want to make sure that all of our stakeholders here are being well taken care of. They come to a beautiful campus that's well maintained, and they take pride in that. I think what makes my job so special is just being that support role for everybody here on campus. What I feel like is an important task is just making sure that I'm doing everything in my power to make sure that the students can learn. So I came out of the hallway for an admin meeting, and I was surprised by my whole family being there. My dad, my mom, my wife, my baby were all there standing to congratulate me. We had the jazz band playing in the background. My administrative team was there, and it just was such a surreal feeling. I could never imagine that I would get this far. So it was really something special. The community that we have here is like no other. I enjoy coming here and working with all of our staff and our students, and they really make me feel special and that I'm needed. I love Tarpon so much, and it's a great honor to be here working at the middle school.
My name is Selena Medina, and I am the secretary for professional learning at the administration building. My favorite part about my job is supporting my department. I am able to jump in wherever I am needed. I have a hand in each of our department's initiatives. Our department does a lot of training for our teachers and a lot of recognition programs for our teachers, and it trickles down. When our teachers feel recognized and appreciated, it brings positivity and excitement in the classroom. So it really does start up here and goes all the way down to the students. Being a finalist made me feel very excited and grateful that I was even nominated. And then I found out I was finalist, and I was happy. I'm like, I could stop here. Just super proud to represent the HR department. My department is so great. We are so close-knit. We are just always here for each other, and I personally really enjoy supporting them. I always call myself a sounding board for my departments. They always know that they can come to me and kind of talk to me, and I'm here to listen, whatever they need from me.
Hi, I'm Aprillee Domino, and I am the Food and Nutrition Manager at Pinellas County High School. I love my job because I get to interact with the students every day. We take our job very seriously because we're giving the children the nourishment that they need to be able to be successful, whether it's academically, physically, mentally, emotionally. They need food in order to be able to think. The people I work with, they're fantastic. I couldn't do my job without them. They have the same passion that I have every day to come in and feed the children and help them to be as successful as they can be. When I found out that I was a finalist for the Support Person of the Year for Food and Nutrition, it blew my mind. I had absolutely no idea that that was ever going to happen. The band was playing and the cheerleaders were out there. It was a fantastic feeling, one that I'll never forget. It's a fantastic feeling to be recognized in this way. I've been doing this for a very long time. This is my 26th year in the district, and I just come to work every day and give 110% and do the best job that I can, and I never in a million years thought that anybody would recognize me in this way.
Hi, my name is Danielle Nemeyer. I'm a CDA, a Child Development Associate at Mount Vernon Elementary School. I absolutely love what I do. I work with 4 and 5-year-olds in the classroom, and I have an amazing teaching partner that encourages me, gives me lots of room to grow in my profession, and just working with the kids each day and helping them grow and be their best selves. It's my favorite thing in the world. We teach phonological awareness, alphabet knowledge. That's the main thing that we focus on, and we learn through play. I was flabbergasted, to be honest with you. I was very excited. My whole family came out. It was a special day, and to have my staff nominate me and feel that I deserved it just means so much to me, because they mean so much to me. Mount Vernon is an amazing place. I was a student here, my daughter attended school here, and it's just such an amazing place to be. I feel that I just want to teach the kids every day to just be kind, to be their best selves that they can be, to find the goodness in everyone around them, because there's so much good everywhere, and we can grow from each other and grow together, and that's just such a blessing to be able to do.